Team Phyllis, it is Monday. I'm so tired. Getting dressed for work with what I have in my closet. So this is what I'm able to put together. No, just something simple, something casual, nothing fancy. I am tired. It's my lip gloss. I am not motivated. So let's just do this quickly and go and work. The funny thing is that when I'm at work, as soon as I start work, the tiredness kind of disappears away. I'm listening to something, and work just goes smoothly. The only time the tiredness kick in is when I go for break. So when I take break, and then that energy to start again, oh, crazy! It's really, really crazy. But so far, so good. The face is so shiny, but yeah, it is what it is. Just before, let me put. I'm going back to this perfume. I have stopped using it for a while because I was trying out something. So you know, 62 on my hair. I love it. I love it as a hair mist. Beautiful. Smells beautiful. Does that I have to sneeze? Allergic reaction. Oh, thank God. Oh God. Yeah. Sprayed it in my mouth. Okay. Nothing fancy. Try to absorb into the skin. That's the only downfall with the sun protected cream I do not like. So oily. Somebody who have oily combination skin, I feel like I have to try this Beauty by Joseon. I also pick up their sun cream. This is 50. I pick up both of them. I think I need to try this one tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna try this one by Beauty by Joseon. I'm gonna stop using this one. Let me try this one because this one makes my face so shiny. Even though it's absorbed, but even when I'm at work, my face is so shiny. It takes a long time for it to absorb into the skin. I don't like how shiny my face is. I don't like how shiny my face is. Anyway, hmm, this is the outfit look of the day. Got my work bag ready. Uh, there we go, black on black. This is the outfit. Today it's Monday. It's Monday. Oh, I can't wait for this week to just go by fastly so one can rest. Simplest. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you all a beautiful week and make the best out of it. Simplest. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Ik waardeer het echt. En ik wens jullie een fantastische week. Peace out. Bye.